Hey fam, Robin. I wanted to share something with you, some of my older customs before I got on YouTube. Uh, there's an old Yatming. I use majorette wheels to jack up, and I didn't do a very good thing on it. Yeah, there's old General Lee's with the stickers on them, not tampoed, painted. And I don't know if I drummed that out to put those mag wheels on it. I might have, because it looks like I did. So again, I was modding die-cast cars far before I got on YouTube. Not at people, but I really don't like being messed around by my own birth family about my marriage to that woman who used to live here. So, and married me under false pretenses. Because again, I'm going to say it, even though my father's deceased, he had to sign for her. I couldn't, because I didn't fit the criteria of Canada immigration to sponsor an immigrant. And I still resent that if there was a settlement and somebody took a jealous fit about it, for me to find out from a Halifax Interim Police Constable that there was an affair between, and I'll say it, Val Wilson and my birth father, allegedly. Now, I wonder if my uncle, who is my mother's brother, was aware of that affair between that one and my father. Wait a minute. Wait, marijuana seeds down in Hammond's Plains for people to give me grievance.